Breaking right now, existing home sales. This is a very important number for the real estate industry. This is existing home sales. What have we got?
On an annualized basis, 5.08 million, Stu. That is actually not a great number. It's down 7%.
Okay, Jason Meister is with us from Ackman Ziff Real Estate. He's our go-to guy on these numbers. That looks 5.08 million existing home sales. That's an annualized basis. Doesn't look good to me, Jason.
It doesn't look good, Stuart. I would caution us not to put too much credibility to 1 month's numbers. But, you know, there has been a development boom based on this free money. And in cities like New York City, Miami, San Francisco, we've had significant development. And there's inventory that's going to be climbing, and we're going to have a lot of excess inventory. In New York City, we have 15,000 units that are going to be coming online to the market between now and 2017. At today's pace, about 5,000 units will be sold. That means that we'll have 5 years of inventory to burn off.
Whoa, that's a lot. Okay. Jason, I'm going to end it there. Not real big on this number, 5.08 million existing homes sold on an annualized basis. Not a great number. Jason, thank you very much.